If you're anything like me, the second you step outside, mosquitoes roll out the red carpet. They see me coming and think, buffet time! And let's be real, nothing ruins a summer evening faster than scratching mosquito bites all night long. Bug sprays? No thank you. They stink, they're sticky, and they're loaded with chemicals I'd rather not put on my skin. That's why I went looking for something simple, natural, and effective. And I found it! All you need are 2 ingredients: coconut oil and peppermint essential oil. So simple. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 5-6 drops of peppermint essential oil. Rub it on before going outside and boom! Suddenly, the mosquitoes want nothing to do with you. I have the recipe at the end of this video. Just pause the video at the end and take a screenshot. Here is why coconut oil helps. Coconut oil isn't just the base for this recipe, but it's amazing for your skin. It deeply moisturizes, repairs the skin barrier, soothes irritation, provides antioxidants, helps heal small scrapes, and leaves your skin soft and glowing. It's so wonderful that you can use it as your daily body lotion. The extra perk is that it repels mosquitoes. Here is why peppermint essential oil helps. Peppermint oil is the magic potion in this mix. It has a cooling effect that calms itchiness and reduces swelling of the bug bite. It helps to shrink the bump you get from a mosquito bite. It works as a natural antiseptic. Improves circulation. To top it off, it has that fresh, energizing scent that mosquitoes can't stand. A much better aroma than that toxic bug spray. Bonus tip, bite relief. If you already got a bite, this same mix is a little miracle worker. Rub it right on the bite, and in a few minutes, the itch starts to fade. Most of the time, you won't even get that big red bump when you do this. If it starts itching again later, just reapply until it's gone. The healing process seems to go so much faster. So save your money with those over-the-counter products. Just do it naturally. Much nicer and safer. Fun fact! Here's a little fun fact. Mosquitoes don't just bite randomly. They're actually attracted to the carbon dioxide we breathe out. That's how they find us in the dark. So when you are outside, just don't breathe. Just kidding. Oh, and before I share some extra prevention tips, here's a quick question for you. See if you can guess without looking it up. Which of these is true? A. All mosquitoes bite people. B. Only female mosquitoes bite. C. Male mosquitoes are the most dangerous. Think about it. I'll give you the answer in just a minute. Here are some extra natural prevention tips. Now, this coconut plus peppermint trick is fantastic, but here are 5 more natural ways you can keep mosquitoes from bothering you. 1. Wear light-colored clothing. Mosquitoes are drawn to dark colors. 2. Set up a fan if you're sitting outside. They're terrible flyers. 3. Dump standing water around your yard. If you can't dump it, add a few drops of dish soap. Standing water attracts mosquitoes. It is a breeding ground for their eggs. 4. Plant herbs like basil, lavender, or citronella near your patio. 5. Cover up at dusk and dawn, their favorite biting times. And now for the answer to that question. It's B. Only female mosquitoes bite. Males are harmless little nectar drinkers. It's the females that need your blood to develop their eggs. So, no girls allowed at your next party, mosquitoes that is. So here's a quick recap. Coconut oil nourishes your skin. Peppermint oil cools and repels. Bonus, it even calms down the itchy bites you may already have. And with those 5 extra prevention tips, you're set for a bite-free summer. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more kindly simple tips, and share this with a friend who always seems to be the mosquito magnet. Pause the video and get a screenshot of the recipe here. See you in the next video!